Hello everyone. My topic name is Operation Research. My name is Niranjan Namdev Gule. College name SAS Institute. Semester 2nd. Course name MMS. Roll number MB21039. Presentation topic Transportation Problem. Agenda. Definition. Brief explanation of the topic, where and when it is used, advantages, limitations, and one numerical. Definition. What is the transportation problem? The transportation problem is to transport the various amount of a single homogeneous commodity which are the initially stored at a various origin to the different destination in such a way that the total transportation of cost is minimum. The definition of least cost method. The least cost method is another method used to obtain the initial feasible solution for the transportation problem. Here, the allocation begins with a cell which has a minimum cost. The lower cost cell are the chosen of the highest cost cell with the objective to have the least cost of a transportation. The brief explanation of the topic. The brief explanation of the topic. The least cost means an alternative transportation solution that delivers solution benefit to conventional solutions such as demand management instead of a facility expansion. Sample. The least is the cost means the incurring reasonable cost necessary for the purchasing the scenes activity, where and when it is used. The least cost method is another method used to obtain the initial feasible solution for the transportation problem. Here, the allocation cost, the lower cost cell are chosen over the highest cost cell with the objective to have the least cost of the transportation, and least cost method is the one of the method to obtain the feasible solution of the transportation. In the feasible solution, the transportation problem, we already understand the northwest corner method to solve the transportation problem, transportation mode for the transportation problem to obtain the feasible solution. The advantages of the least cost method. One is this method is provide the accurate solution as the transportation cost is the consider while the making the allocation, and second one is it is a very simple and easy to calculate the optimum solution under this method. Limitations. In transportation problem, items are the allocated from the source to destination at the minimum cost, and limitation is the second. The linear programming model for the transportation problem has the constraint for the supply at each source and demand at each destinations. Thank you.